Good morning, everybody. Dear students, hope you must have read part 1 and part 2 of the chapter The Tsunami. Please read properly so that you can understand each and everything written in the chapter. In part 2, we have read that how tsunami hit coast of Andaman and Nicobar Island and how it caused destruction and death. Now let us start part 3, paragraph 1. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. It means before the huge waves hit the coast of Sri Lanka, all wild and domestic animals sensed that what was about to happen. They went to higher places to save themselves. The people who witnessed here means saw these incidents, they heard elephants were screaming, means shouting, and ran to higher places to save themselves. Dogs also didn't come out of their shelter. Flamingos left their low living areas. Flamingos are the birds with mainly pink or red feathers. And zoo animals went inside their shelters and didn't come out. Now, next para. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. It means many people believe that animals have sixth sense and they can understand beforehand when the earth is going to shake. Some people believe that because of animals' acute hearing power, they can feel earth's vibration before then man can realize about that. Acute hearing power means shrewd, having good judgment. Now next, we cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangla beach inside the park. Means we are not sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the huge tsunami waves that came from Indian Ocean, in that 150,000 people were killed in round about 12 countries. But this thing was noticed that only a few animals died in comparison to humans. In India's Cuddalore coast is in Tamil Nadu. Thousands of people were killed, but no animals like buffaloes, goats and dogs were harmed. Now, page number 30. In Yala National Park of Sri Lanka, variety of animals are there. 60 visitors were washed away, but no animal carcasses, means dead bodies, were found except 2 water buffaloes. Before the tsunami hit, people saw 3 elephants ran away from the beach because they sensed tsunami. In Galle, it is the name of the place in Sri Lanka, a gentleman had 2 dogs and the man used to take them for a daily walk on the beach every day. But that particular day, the dogs refused to go outside. Perhaps they have sensed tsunami. In this way, their master, that gentleman, was also saved. Moral of the chapter is we should realize the importance of doing whatever possible to save human and animal life, to participate in relief work, and to understand the concept of disaster management, and should show courage and care in bitter struggle of survival.